This is a tutorial for the Yantouch EyE. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use this 3-in-1 wireless Bluetooth speaker to fully enjoy whatever you're listening to with the use of the included remote or iOS and Android compatible application. First, to turn it on, you will pull the stand from beneath the EyE as this kickstand serves as your power switch. It will flash blue to let you know that it is in pairing mode. From within the Bluetooth settings of your device, you should see the Yantouch EyE listed in which you seek to pair with. Simply tap it, and once it connects, it will chime and stop flashing to notify you that it has been successfully paired. If you seek to enjoy stereo sound through the use of two speakers, simply pull the kickstand from beneath both speakers and select them from within your settings of your device. From here, you will need to download the HueDJ app from the App Store or Google Play. Next, you're going to open the apps once they have successfully downloaded. At the top, you will find the Bluetooth symbol, which if selected will show you which devices you have paired, along with additional information such as the battery life. If you tap the remote in the top right corner, it will display the same options you would find on the physical remote. In the event that you do not have your physical remote handy, you can use this remote instead that is built into the app. Now, to the right of the remote, we have a gear icon, which will provide you with the app version, the option to buy another EyE, and quick access to a tutorial. If we shift our attention to the bottom of the app, you will notice we have 4 modes. These modes will let you further customize the way your EyE performs, starting with the first mode located in the bottom left, Hue. This option lets you manually adjust the color of the light by sliding your finger throughout the color spectrum. You also have the option to adjust what the light chooses to sync with. Upon tapping this option, it will flash between a series of 3 colors. Blue will allow the EyE to sync with the bass line of what you're listening to, while green will sync it with the mids, and red will sync it with treble. You can also turn the lights off entirely by tapping in the background area here. Within this section, you can adjust the flow of the lights by tapping the option mono to keep the colors stagnant, or flow to make the colors change on their own. You can adjust the speed of this by dragging your fingers slowly through the circle to make the lights gradually fade from one color to the other, or you can quickly swipe your finger through the color circle to make the colors rapidly flash from one to the next. The slider located between these two options can adjust the brightness of the light. If we move back to the bottom of the app, next to the Hue tab, we have the Wake tab. This mode will let you drag the hour and minute hand of the clock to make your lights turn on at a specific time. You also have the option to choose a sound to accompany the lights as they turn on. The gear will take you to even more options, which is currently under construction. Taking a look at the bottom once again and moving to the next tab over, we have sleep mode. You can swipe up or down on the hourglass to adjust the time, which is reflected in minutes that will indicate the amount of time that must elapse before the lights turn off on their own. You can also choose music to accompany this process as well. The gear will provide you with more options, which is also currently under construction. The last option in the bottom tab is DJ. This is going to let you gain full control of the light show in which your EyE gives. Simply tap any color to make your EyE switch to it. You can choose sync for the light pattern to be selected for you, or if you choose hold, it will provide you with a solid light, which is ideal for slow tempo music. Strobe, on the other hand, will give you a burst or flash of light, which is ideal for fast beat music. And the record option is going to let you capture light, music, and voice so that you can play it back later using the play option found within this row. The music symbol here will let you open your phone local music library to create a list of songs to enjoy. And you can even manually DJ your own lights by playing a song and tapping on the circle. The lights will flash in time with the taps of your finger. Now, as mentioned at the beginning, you do also have a remote to use for your lights as well. On this remote, you will find your power button, the option to check your battery level, an area to mute your speakers or adjust the volume, and media controls to adjust the track you're listening to. Beneath these options, you will find an area to turn the lights off or adjust the brightness of the lights. You also have flow mode, which will make the lights fade from one color to the next. And the light bulb here will turn the lights white, which is ideal when you want appropriate lighting for reading. The colorful bars control how the lights sync with the music being played from the speaker in terms of things like speed. You also have the house, which is going to set the EyE to the most saturated and brightest pink that it possibly can, while the last symbol here will allow you to check the EyE status. Green indicates the power is on, blue indicates that the Bluetooth is linked, and orange indicates that the wake alarm has been set. Now it's time to enjoy your Yantouch EyE. Have fun exploring the large array of options provided via the remote and app to further enjoy your music, games, or even movies.